Hello, welcome to Arogya PhysioTips. आपका आरोग्य PhysioTips में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. So today we brought a topic all about Pilates and DR. So हमने exercise lying down में बनाया है, standing में बनाया है, sitting में बनाया है, crawling में बनाया है, and cardio में भी बनाया है. So today we explain every type of exercise in Pilates, whatever we have to do in DR. So जो भी हमने cardio में किया है, lying down में किया है, sitting में किया है, standing में किया है, that all exercise is known as in advanced therapy. So Pilates can be beneficial for the diastasis recti. I can say that to strengthen the core muscles, and to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, as well as to improve the posture. Just to make sure excessive pressure on your abdominal muscles can aggravate any type of pain, any type of cramps. Those Pilates exercises I'm going to explain in this video. You just have to do it gradually with normal breathing pattern, with the help of breathe in with the nose and go out from your mouth. Whatever instruction I'm going to give you, just follow the same instruction. If you have any type of doubt, just comment us in the comment section. And there is one surprise for you all. Don't skip the video till last, and I'll let you know that what surprise you're going to get in this video. For the Pilates in DR, you can take one type of blocks, and for that I'll let you know when you have to use one mat where you have to sit on it, crossing your legs on your foot. Just sit and take one hand on your tummy, one hand on your chest. Try to breathe in and blow your tummy up, blow out from your mouth, and suck your tummy inside as much as possible. And again, breathe in, blow out, breathe in, blow out. As much as possible, you have to take a long breath in and blow out. Take your tummy inside as much as possible and relax. Try to do it 10 repetitions at least. Next, same exercise pattern, same breathing pattern you have to do in lying down position. Fold your knees. Try to engage the core. Core engagement is very much important in DR. Press your back down so you can see the pelvic will come up. When you're pressing your back, your pelvic will come up. This movement should be there. Press your back, engage your core, and take one hand on your tummy, one hand on your chest. Breathe in, blow your tummy up, blow out from your mouth, and suck your tummy inside as much as possible. Long breathe in, lift up, blow out from your mouth, suck your tummy inside. Again, breathe in, blow out, and relax. This also you have to do 10 repetitions. Next, fold your knee. In the breathing pattern you have to do, lift your hip up. So there is a way of exercise pattern, like in the sense I'll let you know first the breathing pattern. While blowing out, you need to lift your hip up, okay, and squeeze your pelvic muscles. You need to squeeze your vaginal mouth and then relax, okay. So while breathe out from your mouth, lift up, squeeze, breathe in, relax. This is what exactly you have to do. Again, we are doing it. Breathe in, blow out, squeeze your pelvic muscles and down. Again, breathe out, breathe in and down. Again, breathe out. You can do it gradually. No need of any hurry because you're doing a DR exercise. In that, you should not feel any type of exhaustion. Okay, breathe out, squeeze, and breathe in. This also you have to do 10 repetitions. Next, take your both legs up, engage your core. Right now I didn't engage the core and I'm engaging, my pelvic will come up. You can see now, I engage my core. Take your legs in 7 position, in 90 degree you have to keep it. And you just have to blow out from your mouth and touch your toe down like this. So make sure when you're coming up, you need to engage the core. that should be sustained. You should not leave it just like that. If you leave it, the core will be not engaged, as well as the pelvic movement will go downward posteriorly. So you need to engage the core, make it sustain. That you have to do an incomplete exercise. If you're doing for 10 repetition, blow out from your mouth, touch, breathe in, up, blow out, touch, breathe in, up. If you feel some discomfort, any type of pain in knees or thighs, you can take a break for a while. You can take a pause for 1 minute. Then again you can lift your leg up both, engage your core, make it engaged, and blow out and try to touch the toe. Breathe in, up, blow out, touch, and relax. This also you have to do it 10 repetition. For next exercise, fold your knee and you just have to keep your hands straight. The movement will be this pulsing movement you have to do with the help of hands, and the neck will be in the air like this. And don't hold your breath. While doing this, many of the people are doing mistakes is holding it breathing. Never ever hold your breath. Just breathe in and blow out continuously, and you have to just do the pulse. While doing the pulse, you have to just blow out continuously. Breathe in also like that from the mouth and blow out and do the movement. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Lift your neck up, hands on the air, blow out, engage the core, and down, relax. Now again in tabletop position. This is the modified version of the previous exercise. But if you can able to do easily the previous one, then you can try to do it once. Even if you are feeling any type of what we can say, if you are feeling any type of discomfort or anything like that, please avoid it. Again, engage the core, legs in 90-degree. Lift your neck up, pulse movement with blowing out. And down and relax. Now take a yoga block, and keep your legs on the yoga block. If you want to increase the height, you can tilt it. You can tilt it in your own way. Keep your hands on elbow. Don't go more back. It might create a pressure on your shoulder. Take your other hand support and make sure that your complete tummy area should be on your floor. Okay, should press on the floor. And you have to do the open close movement with the help of the inner thigh, the inside one. Okay, open and close, open and close. The inside what we can say thighs should move, not the outer one. Open and close. This is what the exercise pattern which you have to do. With the breathing pattern will be blowing out while performing the exercise. This is what you have to do, and make sure engaging the core in the sense you have to just try to touch the tummy completely towards the floor. Hands 90-degree on your elbow, other hand support, and then you have to start the movement. And relax. Be on elbow 90-degree and fold your inner side of thighs. Just fold your knee and take your other leg straight, hands on support. Lift your complete I can say side plank type of side plank, but folding your knee, and lift up and down, lift up and down. The breathing pattern will be blowing out from your mouth. Blow out, breathe in, blow out, breathe in. Okay, this is what you have to do continuously. If you are feeling any type of discomfort, take other hand, hold forward for a support purpose, blow out, breathe in, blow out, breathe in. Next, in crawling position, legs apart. Make sure that that should be a space in between your both legs, and you have to just make sure this arch should not come, should be neutral, and just try to breathe in, blow out. While blowing out, try to squeeze your pelvic muscles, but just close your vaginal mouth and relax. Blow out, close, squeeze, and relax. That's what you have to do in this position. Hold the position, blow out, breathe in, blow out, squeeze, breathe in, blow out, squeeze, breathe in, blow out, squeeze, and then release. Next, you have to be in the same crawling position and legs apart. The movement is just to be on your toes and lift your knee up and up and down. The breathing pattern will be while blowing out, you need to lift up, breathe in, down. So the modification version is, if you can able to do this very well, then you can hold it for a 5 seconds, then relax. Okay, I'll show you that. Now the holding, be in the toe and lift your knee up, hold it for 5 seconds. While you holding, no need to hold your breath as well. Just breathe in, blow out, and then release. In crawling position, the movement will be just, you have to keep your pattern of exercise will be keep your leg straight and hand will be straight. You should not fold your knee, completely leg straight. So you have to do it, breathe in and blow out, breathe in and blow out, breathe in and blow out. This pattern of movement you have to do with the breathing pattern. Okay, so breathe in, blow out, breathe in, blow out. Same other way also you have to do it in alternative way. Fold your knee, legs apart. Your knee should be straight, hand will be straight. Breathe in, blow out. Breathe in, blow out. And relax. Same in crawling position, the previous same exercise you have to do, but the modification version is keeping your legs straight, hands up. You have to do the pulsing movement with the cord, just coordinate with your breathe, blow out. While you're blowing out, you need to do the pulse movement. Okay, how? I'll show you now. And relax. So while doing the previous exercise, if you feel any type of cramps, okay, then do it for 5 repetition, pulse, 5 rep pulse, and just have to just take a break. Again 5 pulse, then you can take a pause, because if all one straight, if you do the pulsing movement for 10 repetition, you might feel cramps or any type of pain on your back. Take a break, do it gradually, take a pause in between, and you can do it in one straight if you can able to do it properly. That okay. Now after that, immediately you have to do the child pose stretch. Just sit and go down. Try to sit on your heels. Stretch your hands. Hold it for 30 seconds. While doing this, don't hold your breath. Just blow out. Breathe in. Hold it for 30 seconds. And then come up. Now you have to do the stretch as well after doing those exercise. Legs apart. Try to touch your toes. Stretch it, hold it for 5 seconds, and come back. Again, stretch, hold it for a while, and then come back. Then you just have to fold your knees, sit on your toes, take your hands back, stretch as much as you can, hold it, and then relax. Again, stretch, hold it, and then relax, and then come to the position. While doing those exercise, if you are going with any type of back pain issue, any type of muscle pain issue, just take a pause. Okay, just relieve that pain first, then you go with the exercise. So this Pilates all DR exercise for the advanced purpose. If you are doing very well in sitting, lying down, standing, and if you move on cardio and sideline and crawling, after that the process is going to come as Pilates. So in Pilates, whatever exercise I just explain in this video, you just have to do it in same way. But if you have any type of issue while doing those exercise, any cramps, take a cold pack, hold it for a while, then relax, take a pause in between. There is no need that if I am doing in straight 10 repetition, you also have to do it 10 repetition. No, it's all depend on your comfort level. If you can do it in 5 repetition, at least minimum 5 repetition, take a pause and you can do the exercise continuously. Now the stretches which I done last. So while doing the stretches, make sure if you have any type of back pain, don't do it. Okay, just avoid the stretch. Whatever feeling like, if you do it, just do the stretches. Child pose is good for you. If you guys, if I talk about back pain, if you have back pain, child pose is good for you. The side stretch is good for you. But if I am doing the complete abdomen stretch, if you are feeling any type of discomfort or giddiness or any type of vomiting or puking sensation, just stop it immediately. Just you have to do it, breathe in from your nose and blow out from your mouth. Stretching is all about cool down process. So you can cool down yourself while doing it, breathing pattern as well. Just you have to do those exercises properly. If you have any doubt, let us know in comment section. And you might remember the surprise which I have to tell you. We are already going to start the exercise session, the DR exercise session, on this May 5th. Please enroll it and let us know if you are interested. We'll let you know the contacts in description. Just contact in that number and let us know if you are interested. Join us and know how to perform those exercises, how to engage the core, how to do the breathing pattern in proper way, so that you can proceed with those exercises in your own ways. Witness your fitness with us.